Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a question from the Cognizant SDE Sheet from GFG. Okay, this is the Cognizant SDE Sheet interview question and answer in GFG. Okay, now the question says, the name of the question is Symmetric Pairs in Array. Given an array of pairs ARR A and pair AB, a pair A comma B is said to be symmetric with C comma D if B equal to C and A equal to D. In other words, reversing the elements of one pair should result in the other pair. The first element of each pair is guaranteed to be distinct. Okay, so let's take an example. Suppose there is example 10 comma 20 and there is 20 comma 10. Okay, now you can see that its first value is equal to its second value and its first value is equal to this one's second value, so this is one answer. Okay, so either this can be an answer or this can be an answer. Okay, now let's take the next example. 1 2, there is no pairs like 2 comma 1, therefore this is not an answer. Now 2 and 3, we can find that 3 comma 2 is present, so 3 comma 2 or 2 comma 3 can be possible answer. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Now 5 comma 8 and 8 comma 5 is present, so either of them is present, and 7 and 9 and 9 and 7 is also present, so this is also an answer. Any of the 4 can be an answer. So to solve this question, I am going to use a dictionary. Okay, so let's take the first input array as example. What we're going to do is we're going to iterate through each pair in the array. Okay, and keep a dictionary or map in other languages. What I'm going to do is at first we come to this pair. Now I am going to check if this second value is present in one of the keys or not. Currently the map or dictionary is empty, so this is not valid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert this pair here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is we come to the next pair 30 and 40. So is 40, that means the second element is one of the keys in our dictionary? No, therefore I'm going to append this pair in our dictionary. Okay, now we come to this third pair. Is 10 in any key of our keys in the dictionary? Yes, 10 is in the keys of the dictionary, and 20 is the first element. Here is the value in this pair, so one of the pair has been found. Okay, now there should be an empty array called answer, and I should append this one of these pairs in our answers. Okay, now next move 50 comma 60. Is 60 in any of our keys? No, therefore we append 50 comma 60 here. Now we have completed traversing the array, and this is the only pair, therefore we'll return this. Okay, I hope you understand the process. So to code this question, first let's take a 2D array like this, 10 comma 20. Okay, 10, 20. What is the question? Just wait. This is the question. 10, 20, 30, 40. And 20, 10, 50, 60. So this is our 2D array. Okay, now I'm going to write a result. Def symmetric pairs and have this array as our parameters. Now I'm going to keep a answer list like this, so where we can store the answer, and I'm going to create a dictionary d equal to DSCT. This will create our dictionary, and what we are doing is we are traversing through each element, each pair in our array. So for first comma second in ARR, what we are going to check, what we are going to check is if second is in dictionary. Okay, that means if this second value is in our dictionary, that means the key or not. If that is the case, and d of second equal to our first or not, that means we are checking that, like for this pair, when we are here, if the second value is in our hash on dictionary or not, and if the second value, if the first value is in our value of the dictionary or not. Okay, so d of second is equal to first or not. If that is the case, we are going to append this pair, answer dot append this second comma first. Okay, and if that is not the case, we are going to keep d of first equal to second. So, and after the whole loop, we are going to return this answer array. Now print symmetric pairs and send array. Let's run it. Okay, so only one argument, so I think I have to append like this, or let's try this. Actually I'm just starting in Python, so and let's run this for this example. Now this test case is 2,3, and for let's run it for this one. Yes, the answers are coming in the correct order. So thank you. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.